Hey, what's up everybody? It is your girl Manny and welcome back to Inspired Today. Today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys and it is pretty much this look that I'm wearing right now, which screams fall. It is very fall-esque with a lot of oranges and gold, and this sweater is complementing everything. It's been a little bit on the cooler side here in Texas, so I have been liking it. I get to pull out some of my fall stuff, my booties, and wear it. But I'm not going to ramble too much on this intro. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you could be notified when I have another upload. Comment down below, thumbs up this video if you like it, and I will see you next time. So let's get right into this tutorial. I'm gonna start off by color correcting my face. I squeezed out a little bit way too much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just overly correct my face because I did not want to waste what I had. But I did, before I did all of this, I did prime my face with the Laura Geller hydrating primer and also the Benefit pore perfecting primer, just to smooth out my face. Okay, you guys seen this foundation a couple of times on here, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Just put that all over. And to highlight and contour, I'm just going to go and use my ColourPop concealers, the no filter concealer. I'm just going to use a lighter shade to highlight and a darker one to contour. Okay, so I'm not baking, but I'm just taking some of my translucent powder and I'm just pressing it in the areas that I highlighted just to set it. Just pressing it right into the skin, not really baking. And for bronzer, I'm just using one of my ColourPop bronzers. I do not remember the name because ever since I put it in the pan, I have not been able to take it out. So I'll find out and leave it down in the description box for you guys. And I'm just using that same bronzer to go ahead and just slightly contour my nose. I'm just going and putting back some moisture back into my face from all that powder. And I'm just priming my eyelids with my Urban Decay primer potion, getting ready to go ahead and with my eyeshadows. So the first shadow that I'm using is from the Shayla X ColourPop palette, and it is the color Culture. Okay, and I went in my Juvia's Place Afrique palette and I used the color Cameroon, and I'm just putting that in my crease. Back in the Shayla palette, I'm using the color Thick, and I'm just putting that directly in the crease. And I'm just gonna blend what I have so far. So back in the Afrique palette, I'm using the color Dakar, which is another orange, but it's more of like a reddish burnt orange, which is different from the last one, just to build a little bit of dimension. And I'm just putting that in the outer V. And I'm just patting it on to kind of build it up to the way that I want it to be. And you'll see with the next couple of minutes that it is really just me building and adding colors and blending and adding more. It is always easier to start with less color and add it than it is to start with a lot and take it away. So I'm just doing that, adding and building until I get it to the way that I want it to be. And lastly, I'm just going again in the Shayla palette, and I'm just using the color TF and just putting that in the inner corner, or I should say the inner part of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going back with thick, and I'm just putting that on my lower lashes. And now I'm just lining my waterline with a black kohl pencil. And then I'm just gonna go back with Dakar and just go ahead and just add a little bit more depth to my bottom eyes. And I'm just using the Maybelline collaboration with Shayla mascara. You've seen this so many times. I love this mascara, so I keep buying it. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my upper eyelids. I'm just lining it, not doing a wing or anything. Something very thin and simple. So the lashes that I'm using are just the Ardell Wispies. I love these, they're very long. So now what I'm using in my inner tear duct is actually the highlighter that I'm going to be wearing, which is the De Benoit in the color Sultan. I'm just putting that in my inner tear duct. And I also put it under my brow bone and also on my cheekbones. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this ColourPop Anyways lipstick. You guys heard me rave about it. I'm just gonna use that on my lips, and I'm using the color itself as a liner, so I don't have to use another liner. You'll see how I did it. Okay everyone, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is it right here. Don't mind my eyeliner. I had to take off my lashes and re-added them because I put the wrong eyes on the first time I did it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, share it, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. And I will see you guys in my next video. See ya.